Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing. So this is my first planar magnetic in-ear monitors. This is Tangzu Tian Heyday HBB edition, Hawaii Bad Boy edition. I ordered it from Linzone and I got the value declared as $20. I got one QKZ cable as well as this IEM itself. So let's open this and see. A lot of bubble wrap inside. It's heavily bubble wrapped. Nothing here. My goodness, it's just yay! I got the mouse as well. Yes. So this is the Tangzu HBB Tian Heyday edition. Nice. Let me just remove this. Okay. So got the free mouse pad as well. And I have another unboxing on my channel for this QKZ cable. So this cable is of yeah, the same stuff. Yes, it's a modular cable, a good quality one. Recommended to buy this one. Yeah. Let's see the mouse pad first. Yeah. Very plush, very thick. Has a heft to it. It's really nice. Yep. Very smooth, really good. The mouse pad is worth it. Tian Heyday edition. Yeah. Okay, now on to the IEMs. So let me not ruin the packaging. Okay, I'll just slice through. I try to preserve the packaging as much as possible. So let me see. Yep, it's sliding out. Yes, slid out. Okay. Yes. So velvety box, very nice. Magnetic clasp. Okay. Thank you letter. Steve Tang and Tom Tang, founder of Tangzu, director of Tangzu. Yeah. Okay. Very badass IEM carrying box. Really badass. Can use it to carry your DAP. This is a removable divider. Nothing else inside. This is the modular cable, what they have all been talking about. So this blue color, there is a plastic wrapping around it, and very nice quality, very premium cable, very soft and supple. No microphonics at all, no. And you got your 3 adapters, so just match the slot and push it in. Very nice, very premium feel. There is no indicator, dot indicator to denote the polarity of these plugs. That is missing. Yeah. Yes. There is no indicator. But anyhow, the cable is really nice. Now on to the IEMs. Yes. Let me keep them aside for some time. And then you have got a lot of selection of tips: balanced, base enhanced, and foam tips. Base, balanced, base enhanced. These are wide bore, these are narrow bores. Foam tips. Doesn't look like foam tip. No, it's not a foam tip, it's a silicone tip. Okay. Now on to the IEMs. Yeah. Cold to touch, very lightweight, made out of aluminum. Face plates are perfect. Yes. Already wide bore tips installed, I suppose. This one. So this is all metal. Not able to get them back, so let me try this way. Okay. So yeah. Yes. Now it's in. So guys, this is the Tangzu HBB Heyday Tian Wu. Yep. Now I'll be listening to these and I'll be posting my impressions. Yes. Thank you for watching.